Hi everyone. Let's discuss about an Excel scenario-based interview question that I recently come across where interviewer wants to extract the middle name from this given data using Excel formula and without the use of Power Query Editor. Since each cell contains middle name of variable length, the solution must be dynamic so that it automatically extracts it regardless of the length of the index position it starts from. So how do we approach this? Since we have to extract the element contained within the string, we must use mid function to do that. So let's try doing that. First, we have to specify the cell, then the start position. And since we are not hard coding things, we must think of a dynamic approach. By observing the cell elements, they are separated by spaces. So we try finding the space and think of extracting the name based on that. To perform that, we can use find function, passing the space to find within this cell. Now, this find function would return the position of space, but we want it from next word onwards. So adding +1 here to make it consider from next character. Then coming back to mid function, now it requires number of characters to be fetched. But since we have middle name of variable length in each cell, so to make it dynamic, we again have to use find to look for next space. Right now, it's at first space position. To move it to next space, we can specify the start number using find function again. This will find the first space again and using +1 will move it to next character k so that it starts considering it from next character until it finds next space. Clear till here? If we hit enter at this moment, it will fetch both the middle as well as the last name. But we require only middle. We will subtract the last name, and to do that again using find function, space will be determined and followed by -1 to eliminate the space in the result set. Behind the scenes, it is evaluating through index number. And to visually see the step-by-step execution, there is a shortcut in Excel, Alt-T-U-F. When you hit that, the evaluate formula menu appears. And by clicking this evaluate button, we can see each iteration with which index position it is actually taking into account. After successful evaluation, we get the desired result as middle name, and we can drag it all the way down below to get the value. And it is dynamic in nature. So let's pass few new values and it works every time. So I hope you found it valuable and would be able to easily handle these type of scenarios in your interviews. Thank you so much.